Hey everybody, it's Mary. Thanks for stopping by my kitchen. Today we are going to take advantage of nature's bounty. I have some fresh berries that my youngest son and I picked. I have wild blackberries, wild red raspberries. There's a couple of black raspberries in there, and then wine berries. All these are growing on our farm. So you gotta use them. Okay. We're gonna make a simple keto sugar-free jam out of these today. Okay, I have my berries, I have water, and I have the Lakanto monkfruit sweetener. Folks, this right here is the closest thing to sugar that I have ever found that's low carb or keto. Okay, we're just going to bring these up to a boil. I'm going to make sure everything's kind of mashed down in there a little bit. When they come up to a boil, I'm going to turn them down to a simmer, and then I'm going to start mashing the berries for a few minutes. Okay, this has been simmering for about 3 or 4 minutes, and as you can see, everything is starting to break down and steam. So I'm just going to keep stirring this and mash these berries up, and we'll let them go for another about 10 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat down to low. This has been simmering for about 10 minutes or so. Most of the berries are broken down really good. Okay, I'm going to add my lemon juice and a package of unflavored gelatin. There's about 1.5 teaspoons in there. So I'm just going to stir it up until it's totally dissolved. We're going to take it off the heat because it's already done all the cooking that it needs to do. Okay. Let it sit for a minute or two, and then we'll get it in the jars. Okay. Now these are clean jars, recently out of the dishwasher. You could use a pint jar, folks, but I'm using 2 half pints. Now, I am not going to can these. I'm just going to let this set up and put it in the refrigerator. And as you can see, the spoon is already coated. So once it's cool, I'm going to put the lid on it, put it in the refrigerator, and it should be gelled up nicely. But I'll show you what it looks like after it's cooled off and before it goes in the refrigerator. Okay, as you can see, this is firmed up really good. So I'm just going to wipe this off, put the lids on it, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. But this is 1 carb per tablespoon. So, who says you can't have some really good preserves while you're trying to eat keto? Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.